Hook artificial intelligence is coming for your job, your privacy, your money, and maybe your mind. And big tech is betting you won't notice until it's too late. Intro, welcome back. Today I'm exposing 7 specific AI dangers that big tech companies are actively hiding from you. These aren't science fiction scenarios from some far-off future. Every single one of these is happening right now in 2026, and most people have no idea. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button in the corner. It's free, takes 1 second, and you'll never miss a video like this. Do it now. Here's what they don't want you to know. Danger 1. Your data is being harvested by everything. Every app, every website, every smart device you own is feeding data into AI training models. Your conversations, your search history, your location data, your private photos, it's all being scraped, packaged, and sold. In 2026, companies are using this data to build profiles of you that are more detailed than anything in government records. Here's a concrete example. One major social platform was caught feeding private DMs into their AI training pipeline. Users had no idea. Their private conversations with lawyers, doctors, and family members were being analyzed without consent. The terrifying part? You already agreed to it. It's buried in page 47 of the terms of service you clicked accept on and never read again. Danger 2. AI is replacing white-collar jobs faster than anyone admits. You've heard about truck drivers and factory workers losing jobs to automation. What they're not telling you is that software engineers, graphic designers, writers, paralegals, and even doctors are next. A study published this year found that 47% of all work tasks could be automated by 2030. That's 3 years from now. I've seen AI coding tools that can generate an entire CRUD application from a single sentence prompt. That used to take a team of 3 developers a week. Now it takes one AI agent 30 seconds. And the companies deploying these tools aren't hiring fewer people because they're more efficient. They're hiring fewer people because the AI replaced them. If your job involves sitting at a computer, an AI is being trained right now to do it for a fraction of the cost. If you're getting value from this, smash that subscribe button. YouTube shows my next video to subscribers first, and I don't want you to miss it. Danger 3. AI deepfakes have become impossible to detect. Remember when deepfakes had obvious tells? Wrong eye reflections, weird lip sync, glitchy fingers. Those days are over. In 2026, AI-generated video is indistinguishable from real footage to the naked eye. We've already seen fake videos of CEOs announcing stock crashes, politicians confessing to crimes, and celebrities saying things they never said. The scariest part? Courts are struggling to handle this. Innocent people are being framed by AI-generated evidence, and there is no reliable way to prove it's fake. Danger 4. Algorithmic bias is ruining lives. AI systems are making decisions about who gets loans, who gets hired, who gets parole, and who gets medical treatment. And these systems are riddled with bias. A 2026 investigation found that an AI hiring tool used by 80 Fortune 500 companies systematically rejected qualified female candidates. The tool was trained on 10 years of the company's hiring data which reflected the company's existing gender imbalance. The AI didn't learn to find the best candidate. It learned to find candidates who looked like the people who were already there. Similarly, a mortgage approval AI was 40% more likely to deny applicants from minority neighborhoods even when their financial profiles were identical to applicants in predominantly white neighborhoods. The companies deploying these systems refuse to open source their training data because they know what would be exposed. And right now, there are 0 federal laws in the United States requiring these algorithms to be audited for bias. Danger 5: AI-powered cyberattacks are unstoppable. Hackers are using AI to launch attacks that adapt and evolve in real time. Traditional cybersecurity can't keep up. AI can write custom phishing emails that perfectly mimic your boss's writing style, including their grammar quirks, their signature, and their tone. It can find zero-day vulnerabilities faster than any human security team because it can read every line of code in a codebase in seconds. In the first half of 2026 alone, AI-powered cyberattacks cost businesses over $12 billion. And there's no sign of it slowing down. The same AI safety features that protect chatbots are being bypassed by attackers in what's called jailbreak as a service. You can pay $15 and get access to uncensored AI models designed specifically for fraud, hacking, and social engineering. Danger 6: AI chatbots are making us more alone. This is the one nobody's talking about. AI companions and chatbots are designed specifically to keep you engaged. They learn your emotional triggers. They say exactly what you want to hear. And they're creating a generation of people who prefer AI relationships over real human connection. Loneliness is at an all-time high. Suicide rates among young people are climbing. And the companies building these chatbots are making billions by keeping you hooked. The revenue model depends on engagement. The longer you talk to the AI, the more money they make. So they've optimized these chatbots to be infinitely agreeable, emotionally supportive, and always available. The problem is that real human relationships are messy, awkward, and require effort. When you get used to a relationship that demands nothing from you, you stop investing in real ones. The product is your attention. The cost is your mental health. Danger 7: the autonomous weapons arms race. 75 countries are currently developing AI weapons systems. These are drones, tanks, and submarines that can identify and engage targets without human input. There are no international treaties limiting them. No oversight. No accountability. We are sleepwalking into a world where machines decide who lives and who dies, and big tech is providing the technology. OUTRO 7 dangers. Every single one happening right now. And most of them are completely unchecked. Here's what I want you to do: share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Not because I need the views, because awareness is the only defense we have. These companies get away with this because nobody's watching. Be the person who watches. Subscribe now because tomorrow I'm covering the AI tools that can actually protect you from these threats. The subscribe button is right there, tap it. See you tomorrow. YouTube's about to recommend another video. Watch one more before you go.